Centerwell takes pride in caring for our seniors in our community. All across Kentuckiana, they are ready to help our elders with their amazing health care. We're here today with Dr. Tamia Evans from your neighborhood Centerwell Senior Primary Care right here in Louisville. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your very busy schedule to come on Great Day Live. Yeah. We love partnering with Centerwell and just learning about all the things that you have to offer. So truly, what makes Centerwell different from other care facilities in the area?
Well, thank you for having us on. We are very different. We try to stand out because we really care for seniors over 65. And we tend to their needs. And oftentimes those patients come with lots of different health problems. And in the reality of healthcare, we are busy, we move fast, and doctors don't get a lot of time with patients. But what we tout is that our providers get 50% more time with their patients so we can deal with the complex problems of our seniors.
Yeah, you say 50% more, so what does that really mean?
So a lot of times when you come in, you get room, you spend a lot of time with the medical assistant. Well, we get a lot of time with the provider, and that is the space where we get to impact their care. When someone has lots of health problems, you want to make sure that they have good outcomes, they have good quality of living, and how you do that is you teach them about their health. So we're very education forward in the way that we approach our patients. We actually do a lot of preventative work, which is above and beyond what you get in a normal primary office, because we want to give them a good quality of life and have good health the rest of their days.
Absolutely. And is Centerwell strictly primary care physicians?
Yes, we are primary care physicians, but our team is extensive. We have behavioral health, we have clinical pharmacists, we also have licensed clinical social workers and care navigators, because sometimes patients need more than just health. Sometimes they need resource. So we bring all those professionals together, but we are primary care physicians.
I know you have a lot of fun events. I know you do line dancing. You have, I mean, all of your locations are across the Kentuckiana area. I don't know how many you have open now. I feel like there's one new opening all the time, but you have these centered events, so it's not just focused on the healthcare, it's really about the well-being as a person.
Exactly, and the name of Centerwell speaks that. We care about the whole person, and after the pandemic, we realized there was a pandemic of loneliness. So we have these community centers within each center, and they're open to the public, but they're also for our patients, and we have extensive programming every month. Like you said, the line dancing. My other favorite is the what they call it, sip and paint, not alcohol, but it's sipping drinks and having paint sessions. We've done derby parties and hat parties. So it's a fun place to be. And weekly, they love bingo and Tai Chi. Those are the other favorites. So.
Well, and I love to see you guys do a really good job on your social media, kind of posting about all of those fun events. Of course, you come on Great Day Live and promote them on here too, which is so fun. But what do you love specifically about your job?
I love that I get to connect with people. And when you can impact their health from that time, then you realize that these patients are living a better life. One of the things about being a senior, and you have mobility issues, you have all these challenges, but if someone can help you navigate that, navigate the barriers to your life, then that feels a lot better. It gives patients confidence, it gives them the ability to be engaged with their own health, and I feel like it's just a deeper, more lasting relationship as a physician. I enjoy the time I get with my patients, and I think they enjoy it as well.
Yeah, taking that time to really sit down and chat with them, because this isn't your average doctor visit. I mean, you could spend up to 45 minutes just talking with your patient. Do you think that really sets Centerwell apart from others?
Oh, on average, physicians get, they say, 7 minutes in the room with a patient.
7
that is
minutes.
A national average, and we get on average 40 minutes.
Wow.
So that, I think, does make us stand out. And we keep our physicians panels small compared to other organizations, so that allows them to focus on those patients and really think deeper about their care, so they're not just thinking about them in the office, but when they're not in the office. So I think that is just a different approach to healthcare. I think it's where healthcare is going. So I'm excited, and it gets me excited to come to work every day.
So if people are interested in maybe personally seeing you or any of the other primary care physicians within the Centerwell unit, how can people learn more?
They can go to our website. It's myCenterwellKentuckiana.com. But we have centers in Southern Indiana. We have 2 of those, and we have 4 here in Louisville. I am housed at the West Louisville Center, so I always say West End's the best end, but
Yes.
I love Centerwell. I love all of our offices. They are very unique, and they're centered in neighborhoods that are accessible to people. And my favorite thing is if you don't have a ride, we will provide one for you.
I love to hear it.
Yes.
Well, Dr. Evans, thank you so much for carving out some time out of your very busy schedule
Yes.
to share the goodness over at Centerwell Senior Primary Care. So thank you.
No, thank you.
So again, if you are interested in learning more, just call the number, just call their office 502-378-3028 or visit their website, mycenterwellkentuckiana.com.